start working with a new client, I think it's very important to start a good relationship from the off with honesty and integrity, ensuring that we have a good relationship, a two-way relationship with each customer.
Meler is a polystyrene converter, which effectively means we take large pieces of polystyrene and cut it down using hot wires to whatever our customer wants. A lot of what we do is assemble pieces of polystyrene either to another piece or to some cardboard or something else, and to make those fix together we have to use some form of glue. And Meler provides a really clever machine that allows us to fix the two pieces together quicker than we used to be able to do.
We also do lots of different types of jobs where we need to use glue. We have different companies that come in and ask for different types of products, all with polystyrene, and we will glue as required.
When they came to us, the first challenge they faced was that they required a small bulk melter rather than the handheld applicators that they were using previously. They required to be able to apply a bead adhesive, but also have that flexibility to swap to a swirl application, which our system, we were able to offer that from the beginning.
Meler have been on board a long time, so Meler's involvement depends on the type of work we get in. But it works well. We may end up having 2 or 3 more machines if the type of work which involves fixing 2 pieces of material together comes in, then we might need more of what we've got or a slightly different form of machine. But the relationship's working well and it will carry on for a long time.
We want people to be able to recognise the Meler brand as a leader in the hot melt equipment solution provider. In the UK, people often refer to their vacuum cleaner as a Hoover, which is a well-known brand. I want that to be the same for Meler when it comes to hot melt equipment. So that's something I'm working towards. I hold the brand recognition in high value.